Tech companies are showing off their latest products and innovation at the Consumer Electronics Show happening in Las Vegas. The annual Consumer Electronics Show is the world's largest tech and gadget show.
It's really amazing seeing everyone, especially like back from the pandemic. It's so exciting to see all the new tech and all the faces around, and getting to like meet different vendors and exhibitors. It's a really exciting experience. So I'm really thrilled to be here.
There is a new gaming handheld, a wireless TV, and yes, a color-changing car. BMW is making waves at CES with a new color-changing car that morphs like a chameleon into a different colors to suit the driver's mood.
The inspiration came from a fascination for e-ink. It's been in e-readers for ages, but if you just know what it is, it's a color-changing layer that reacts to electrical fields, and then you take that away, the electrical field, and it stays there. It's absolutely amazing, right?
Better known for smaller electronics, Sony is going for an electric car. Sony is teaming up with a fellow Japanese manufacturer Honda to create the Afeela EV brand.
Following this prototype, we will further proceed with the development towards mass production, anticipating to start taking pre-orders in the first half of 2025 and start sales within the same year. The first shipment will be delivered to customers in North America in spring 2026.
Folding and bending screens have been around for a year. Now Samsung has debuted Flex Hybrid OLED screen that can extend and fold. The screen is mere 4.2 inches wide, but can then fold out to a 10.5-inch display. Now your fridge can be a nightclub. LG's mood-up appliances are coming up with color-changing display that you can change via an app. This year, the annual Consumer Electronics Show will be hosting over 3,200 exhibitors and will continue till January 8.